Hello, beautiful people. I am Marshall. Welcome back to my channel, Survivors. We're all surviving something, which is a gift in and of itself. If you are not subscribed yet, let's fix that today. I want to become friends and I don't want you to miss any uploads. So if this is your first time, welcome, sis. Welcome. This channel is all about life after a diagnosis. Trust and believe every day that you wake up, you are a survivor. Yes, you can live beyond cancer or any other diagnosis. Go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment below. A little about me. I was diagnosed with triple negative breast cancer. Triple negative breast cancer is one of the most aggressive forms and the most deadliest due to the high reoccurrence rate, and it being more likely to spread throughout the breast or beyond the breast. Today, I'm sharing my tips that I use to reset my body, my health goals, and my life. If you're interested, keep watching. Number one, practice the clean slate policy because life happens to us all. When you get behind, miss a day, or discover what doesn't work for you, wipe that slate clean and start again. Don't stress over the small stuff. Trust me, tomorrow brings on a whole new day and a new perspective. Number two, pursue progress, not perfection. Consistency matters more than doing it perfectly, so just do something daily. Doing it incorrectly is better than not doing it at all. Remember when you first learned to skate, it was not perfect. You probably fell a few times, but you kept going, right? Right. Number three, shrink the challenge. If you're not practicing the habit, chances are you set a goal bigger than the time you have to do it or available. So try shrinking your task until you're 90% sure you can do it. Make your goals smart. That means specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time based. You will work out on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for 30 minutes this week. Yes, you got it. That is a smart goal. You can do this. Number four, keep going, even when you don't see progress. Small habits maintained over a long period of time can lead to lasting change. If you go to the gym tomorrow and you work out for an hour, when you get home, you will not see anything different. You're probably going to look the same. However, go 3 days a week for 90 days. When you look in the mirror, you will see change. You will see change, sis. Number five, notice what works. Rather than focusing on the negative, shine the light on what's worked. Determine what works for you and do more of that. I do not count calories. I do not measure my food. I am intentional about my food and I eat real food, but tracking my meals don't work for me. Others, it really does keep them on track. So I'm just saying, figure out what works for you. Number six, customize your habits. What works for others may not work for you. So find a way to practice the habits that fit your personality, circumstances, and preferences. It is time to put your plan in action. Write it down on your vision board. I really love my vision board. Write the vision down and make it plain. Okay? Write it down, girl. Write it down. Number seven, go deeper. If you want to dig deeper into habits and spiritual growth, begin with the first 15. 5 minutes of worship, 5 minutes of prayer, 5 minutes of reading your Bible. I use the YouVerse Bible app, but it is also great to put your Bible to get your hand Bible out. Study that, highlight your scriptures. Number eight, plan a self-care activity every day. It can be 5 minutes or more. You deserve it. Actually, you cannot afford not to. I like guided meditations or sound therapy. I recently got my certification in sound therapy, and we'll be posting more videos on that soon. So stay tuned. Now that you have some tips to reset what you were doing, what will you do first? I would like for you to comment below so we can encourage each other. I will respond to each comment. So let's be helpful. So like, share, and subscribe. Go. Unleash the power within to reset and heal. Subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day.